After a long time, I can see some dogs here. You can see these dogs, but they are very dangerous to see. Now I'll feed them. Okay. Hey, come here. One dog is going. Come here. Take it. Take it. Why he is not eating? I feel like he's scared. যান আপনি যান সমস্যা নেই যান Take this. One dog is sitting here. This black dog is trying to hide inside the car. Okay, they are eating. And I feel like this bread is not enough for them. I'll give them more breads. Hey black, hey, take this. Take it. Obviously you should feed them, otherwise who will feed them? Because they are street dog. Oh, one dog. Where he went? I can't see him. Take it. Oh, it is not a male dog, it is a female dog. Okay, take this. One dog is standing over there. I'll feed him as well. Hey dog, hey. He's scared to me. Take this. What's wrong? যাই না, আমি তো গেছিলাম রুটি দিতে। Okay, he's scared to me. Now I have to go a little ahead to give this food to another dog. That guy was asking me why dog was running. He was laughing to see the dog, because I went to feed the dog, but dog is scared after seeing me. I won't long this video, and today's video I will stop here. My next video will come very soon. Allah Hafiz.